Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a restricted account on PowerPoint. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted account on PowerPoint, you should just go to settings. In the first page you can click on apps and you will enter here to PowerPoint. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors, so you can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and